Right, hello everybody, it's finished. I've actually finished it. I had to make another one because yes, my journal got quite chunky. So I made one with a bit of a gusset in, so give it a bit more room. Well, actually my sister made that one for me while I was there, and that's the bottom, so it's just got a bit of a gusset in there as well. Okay, like that. And I've tied it up with ribbon. So I made it exactly the same as the one that I made, you know, with the tutorial, and I've stolen the tags at the moment because most of the tags are in the journal for me to show it, but for transporting it I'm going to take some of these tags out and put them in here, so the person that gets it, hopefully they'll then, you know, put them in the journal themselves. So before we go any further, this is not for sale. This one is going away as a gift, so hopefully they will like it. Okay, so we've got all different bits and pieces in here, very similar to the other one. Oh, let's undo that first. A minute. So I just tied it with a bow at the moment. Right there. Let's see what I've done here. Like I say, it's all decorated before I put these in, like the other one. That's just stole them from the other one. So okay, and this is all fixed, this piece here. Okay, that's that, and that's the back. I've just done a little tassel thing with some ribbon and that here, angles. Let's get that out, sorry, there we go. Now move that out of the way and check I'm in frame. There we go. Yeah, I've done it just as a wrap around because I didn't want anything attached to here, because you know it's only file folder, and you know I think the pressure could rip. All right, got my name on the back, but it's all been Mod Podged over, so it's, let's probably get this into a knot now. Oh no, there we go. That's just seam binding, and saw me do this bit. There we go. Right. There we are. Just might be able to get, the sun's going to come out in a minute, so yeah, that's how I've done that inside cover there. That's the tag, and this bit book belongs to. I've left that like that. I think that, you know, you could always put a little bit of writing in here. Little box left, and it's a nice little sort of, I don't know, well, I suppose corset type pocket. And what kit did I use? My Sweet Rose and Shabby Chic one, but only bits of both, I think, if I remember rightly. Right, this one, I think I had a tutorial on these ones that I've done, and that's for the file folder, and this is a sort of altered, make it look like an envelope. It's just aged it all. Just tucks in there. That's an envelope there. And journaling card. These are beautiful. My sister gave me those ones. I just left that because I wanted to leave a little bit so the person that gets this could actually carry on with it, because I have a feeling they're a journaler. So just a plain tag there, and I thought we could add some lace and different things. Not quote, but seek stillness. I love that word. And that's one of the altered envelopes I've done, which got a tutorial, yeah, sort of a process video on those, and some snippets. Don't need that bit. Nothing in the envelope. Oh, I think there might be something in that one. I can feel something. Oh yeah, just a little postcard there. I say not all of them have got something in. And then a little pocket here, some decoupage there. I'll show you that closer up. Here we go. That's a nice big pocket at the back. And just put some journaling cards in there. Yeah, so that's either from the Paris kit or the Shabby Chic one. I think that's a Paris kit actually, the extras. Yeah, it is. Yeah, so I've used those postcards from that, but shrunk down. So I left that plain, but it's all gessoed there. Just some lace over some pattern paper. Okay. And this was from somebody that is very old, actually, that was studying French at school. So I just thought, I've got a few pages of that from a book, and I thought that was quite nice. That's a tag there. And just a little journaling card in there. I just loved that. I think that looks so nice if it's got writing on. So some washi tape down there, and then no act of kindness, however small, is ever wasted. Okay, some nice old ledger paper here. Another tag there. So one there. That's one of the little tuck spots we've done with a little tag. Just a journaling card, a little one in there. Okay, and all distressed pages. That's a tuck pocket there. There's a little sort of thing I made out of a page with some lace. There's a little pocket in here. I'll just put those in there for now, but you know, you can add your own things. And that's a very large envelope, this, but I wasn't going to put it in, and I looked at it and I thought, no, it just goes so well, and here, but it's quite large, so, but I just think it's just goes lovely. So leaving it in there. And there's a nice big pocket here with some music paper in. A lace pocket. Goes very nicely with her. What's that? That's the CD, altered CD envelopes in the middle. Journaling card, and this one is on a paper clip. Okay, so it just flips over the page. Okay, all stamped and everything in the background. Not too much, just a little bit. No stenciling in this one. I've left it because I've done quite a lot of splattering and things. And another envelope here. And the other side of that pocket, just a journaling card in. Again, these turned out beautifully. And this is the blue side. Not the dark side, the blue side. There. And I've just put a few little of those little bags in there that I made up. That's some greaseproof paper, but it's really lovely. So I just cut them out and put them in there because I thought decorate the journal a little bit. I have used some snippets, but I haven't found one yet. That's just a tag, a little journaling card in that little pocket there. There's one snippet there. That's some very old ledger page, 1901 and 1920 there. Let's go, put in the bag there. Yeah, it was filling up too much, so I never put this on because it was still wet, so just put a little put that on now. The glue was still wet, so put that in there so it doesn't squash the lace. Like that. Go. Okay, so all these are loads. All this can be removed. I've done that purposely, so it can always be stuck in after once it's wrote in and things like that. And that one I've flipped it over the page. So it's the double tag that I forgot to sew in, so I thought I would include it and put it like that. I'm forever forgetting to use those. There's another little double pocket here. That's the snippet bit there. Is there? And then this is a tiny little booklet. And it's just a piece of like paper, but I just thought it was beautiful, so it's going in. And then journaling card and nice paper there too. Yeah, I think you saw me make that one. And the triple pocket here, some lace over, some tags. Again, that's that jelly bean die, isn't it? I love that one. And I think that paper is really lovely. That's My Sweet Rose paper. And all this is as well. And then this is just sort of put a few things in this pocket here as a sort of beginnings of an altered envelope, but I thought I could finish it off. Some music paper and some tickets that I didn't use, so I thought they would go in there. And one of the little envelopes, a little upside down journaling card in. It's there. And another tag here I made, and let's put that in. Good. And then a big pocket there. I'm not sure whether that's Yvonne's actually. Yvonne Crafty by Preston. I think she's got some invoices on her website. So, and I actually can't remember if they're hers. Sorry, Yvonne. But I'll put her link down below for her invoices that she uses. So, and that's that, and that's the back. There we go. So that's all finished. So ready to go. On with the next project now. I think I've got enough left to do another journal, but I'm not sure whether I'm going to do one or not. Because I want to move on with something else. So I might be putting one together, you know, in the file folder. What I'll do, I've got loads of spare papers, so I might put a little kit together. I'll see. And, you know, maybe put it in my Etsy shop or just let you know if it's available. I'll see what I've got left. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.